написал, какое кино-то интересное. Горит.
Да.
А что случилось?
Хрен, Ли. Господи. Ну, вот и есть. Блин.
Давай, давай, там...
Там нет руля. Мам, вызывай гаишника. Там это...
Скорую.
Ебать, блядь.
Пиздец.
Гений, сука.
На мотоцикле?
Да.
Два дебила.
Два
Это
дебила,
сила.
это сила, блядь, да.
Все стоят. Поток стоит, они, блядь, едут, пидорасы.
Стоит июля. А сколько вы стоите, да?
Блин, папа, оставь этого дебила. Пусть едет.
Скотина. Очкошник. Живая?
Да. Господи. А ты... Или мне плохо?
Все.
Пиздец. Илюха, мне хреново.
Сейчас. Да, живые, да, то что-то это.
Господи.
Все целые, ничего? Нормально?
Пристегнуто было, все?
Да, мне только вот здесь плохо.
Да, мне тоже.
Ты ебал, что ли, на десятки, сука?
Правого ряда,
И показывают... Твою мать!
Мама! Бегом! Звоните в эту. Скорую. А где находимся такой?
Тормози. Аварийку.
Вот ее можно как бы. Ой-ой-ой, авария.
Брат позвонил, говорит, ты проголосовал? Он говорит, да. Я говорю, за кого? Я не имею права тебе давать такую информацию. Я говорю, ты не имеешь права у меня спрашивать.
Я не хочу.
Да. Он говорит, ты не имеешь. Куда?
So in this video we'll be talking about this specific farm law that deals with injuries, or it settles claims for people after an injury. So it's called Party and Associates, attorney of law and personal injury lawyer, Las Vegas. So they have a free consultation. You get free consultation. You can call them and they're available like 24/7. So the DR Patti Difference. So most personal injury lawyers list their recoveries. But if someone says they settle a personal injury case worth this amount, how do you know it wasn't worth $1 million? If so, that client made a wrong choice going with that lawyer. Our golden rule: treat our client the way we want to be treated. I think that's great. I think that's heads on, spot on. In actual personal injury cases, results like accident hotel casinos. So before this farm and after, as you can see, they offer just $25, and as you can see, this amount just went 25 million. The wrongful death, denied responsibility. So this DR Patti, you can see the numbers. I think these are the best lawyers I've seen so far. So let's see, you can see there's diversity both. Oh, they have many women than men. That is so amazing. This is a very good guy. You can see they look like money. They look like help. They look like the people you want to call. So these are the client review. The firm is Bomb. My attorney Mark. They did a wonderful job. They treated me with respect. You see, the thing is, you don't have to pay for anything. Okay, you don't pay for anything. So Las Vegas car accident lawyers, and they are best personal injury lawyers in Las Vegas. And so these are their offices, Las Vegas offices. This is Summerlin and Henderson and Reno. And as you can see, I think these are people who know what they're doing. With all this money, you can see their class is very high. They're people who are hands-on with what they're doing. So you give them a shot. If you know anyone who has been in a personal injury case or a person who needs help, you could help a friend or somebody you don't know, rather. Just don't, if you see somebody making the wrong choice, just let them go to these people. They're gonna get help. Las Vegas, they're ready to text you. They're not asking you for money. You will get paid you will pay them when you win. And you win good money. So the settlement, when an accident happens, you get good money paid. You get good people fighting for you. let's see the team. So this is the team. See if they are online. These are the attorneys. Women. This is beautiful. I think this is really nice. Even our marketing person. This is really brilliant. I would want them to represent me. So practice areas, you can see they deal with car accident, truck accident, motorcycle accident, traumatic brain injuries, bus accident, pedestrian accident, drunk driving accident, slip and fall accident, wrongful death, medical malpractice, and dog bite. This is great. This is amazing, guys. So I think everything is just positive about them. So give them a shot. Call them.